In this video, we're unboxing the open-end fuel line socket set. This is the tool organizer tray, the open-end fuel line socket in various sizes. These tools are mainly used to remove automotive high-pressure fuel lines, brake lines, fuel lines, and specialty components like oxygen sensors. The cutout design on the side solves the problem of working in tight spaces, makes it easy to remove and install line fittings with attached hoses or lines, and can slip it around obstacles like wire harnesses and hoses, avoids forcing the socket and damaging the line or fitting. The following are the tools used to assemble the socket set tools: small ratcheting wrench, medium ratcheting wrench, large ratcheting wrench. For the 10mm socket, 11mm socket, and 12mm socket, use a small ratcheting wrench to assemble. For the 13mm socket and 14mm socket, use a medium ratcheting wrench to assemble. And for the 17mm socket, 19mm socket, 21mm socket, and 22mm socket, use a large ratcheting wrench to assemble. Now let us move on how to use the tool set. We'll demonstrate by removing and reinstalling an oxygen sensor. Choose the socket that matches the exact size of oxygen sensor to install. Seat the socket firmly onto the sensor, then use the large ratcheting wrench to remove. We can see the oxygen sensor can be removed easily, tightening the sensor back up in the same way.